do not get damaged. You will see first definition. Write the definition. First line C. Give the heading. Earthquake resistance building. Earthquake resistance building. Write down the first line. Write down the first line. Sanskar Nikam, write your roll number. Yes, 22. Yes, see now. Write the definition. The construction which do not get damaged due to earth's movement up to certain limit are called earthquake resistant building. Earthquake resistant buildings. Okay, stop writing now. Now to construct this tall building, the Indian Standard Institute has made some code of conduct. Buildings are constructed as per IS 456 and earthquake resistant construction performed as per IS 1893. The criteria for this earthquake resistance design for structure and IS 13920 ductile detailing of reinforced concrete structure subjected to seismic forces. Underline these two figures. IS 1893. IS 1893, which is for criteria for earthquake resistant designing of structure. Second, IS 13920. In bracket given see ductile detailing of reinforced concrete structure subjected to seismic force. Subjected to seismic force. Subjected to seismic force. Now see here, this advanced technology used for earthquake resistant construction. To get the information about this earthquake, modern equipment like laser ranging, very long baseline, Geiger counter, creep meter, strain meter, tire gauge, tilt meter, volumetric strain gauge are used. Underline all these examples. Last paragraph. Underline all the names. Underline all the names. Underline all the names. Underline all the names. Turn the page now. Next heading, fire.
Good morning, sir.
Find out this. Fire is natural or man-made calamity. Natural or man-made, both. There are both chances are there. One by one. Come in the types of fire. Class A, B, C, D and E. First is class A. Class A. Give the heading now. Class A. See on page number 64. It is for solid substance. And then all the names. Commonly flammable material are the source, like wood, cloth, coal, paper. This fire can be put out with water. The fire can put out by water. Second, class B, for liquid substance. Class B for liquid substance. Liquid substance. Put on your videos. Videos on. Class B for liquid substance. First one for this solid substance. Common disease: petrol, oil, varnish, solvent, cooking oil, paints. Now this fire may be put out by fire extinguisher. And then what? By using fire extinguisher. Now class C for gases. Class C for gaseous substance. Which gases C? Fire caused due to acetylene and household gas. All of you are very familiar with LPG, long form liquefied petroleum gas. LPG, long form liquefied petroleum gas. Class D. Class D for chemical substance. Class D for chemical substance. The fire caused due to combustible metals like potassium, sodium, calcium, which reacts with water at normal temperature. As well as at high temperature, see magnesium, aluminium, zinc, they react with water at high temperature. When both this group combine with water, it explodes. It explodes. Underline word explodes. Underline word explodes. Then class E, which is for electrical fire. Class E, electrical. Electrical fire. Fire caused due to electrical accident, which can be such a fire, power is cut off and non-conductive fire extinguisher like carbon dioxide is used. Underline word there. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Come in that box. Methods of fire extinction. There are three methods are there. By using water, cool out, suppress the fire, keep away the flammable substance. Tick mark it can ask for the 2 marks. First method, by using water, see, to extinguish the fire, water is most common and effective solution which is easily available everywhere. If you spray the water on fire or around the fire, it creates cooling effect and helps to control the fire. Underline word cooling effect. Underline word cooling effect. Second, see, to control the fire which caused due to electricity or oil, we have to use sand or soil. Underline word both. Use sand or soil. If you spray the 4 substances on the fire, it cut off the contact between air and fire. If you put the sand or soil, what happens, see, it breaks the contact between air and fire. This method is useful to extinguish the fire spread due to oil. Use for fire spread due to oil. And third is the precautionally keeping away the flammable substance. Just like see, the all flammable substance are kept away from the fire. In the wooden articles or flammable substance must be kept away from this. Whenever the fire is there, the stir of the pump, best device to put off this fire. It spray the water in all direction around the fire. Underline word stir up pump. Stir up pump. Spray pump. It is like just like the spray pump. Now precautions or safety, see. Precautions or safety. First, see, develop the habit of switch off the gas regulator when not in use, especially during night. Switch off the electrical appliances when you are going out from the house. Under this both. Switching off gas regulator at least in night time. Switching off electrical appliances when we are going out of the house. These habits we have to develop to make the others alert and call them for help and shout loudly. Call the fire brigade. Provide information how to use the fire extinguisher. Provide information for using fire extinguisher. First aid, see, if you cause this, let the patient sit or sleep in comfortable position and you have to call to doctor immediately. Call to doctor immediately. Now give the second heading, landslides. Landslides.
Landslide.
See, the 2 questions are given
Fire also.
in front of, can you recall? What was the first one? Note down first, what are the reasons for Malin Bishop in Pune district, and what are its effects? It is one of the landslide have been caused in Pune district. It also called as one type of landslide, or it also called as rift collapse. Give the heading. Take down first question. Malin is the name of village in Ambegaon Taluka in Pune district. Here, landslide has been caused on 21st July 2014. Landslide was caused by heavy rainfall and at least 151 people are died in this landslide. In addition to those dead, more than 200 people were believed to have been buried under this landslide, and near about 44 separate houses. Rain continues after the landslide also make the much more problem in rescue operation. An entire village had said to be wiped off due to this landslide. Try to understand once more. Malin is the name of village. It is in Ambegaon Taluka in Pune district. Landslide caused on 31st July 2014. Near about 151 people are killed and near about 200 people are cast buried under this, and 44 houses are totally vanished. After this condition also, rain has been not stopped and it creates huge problem in rescue operation. Now give second question, what is landslide? What is landslide? Right definition. A collapse of mass of earth. Collapse of mass of earth or rock from a mountain due to sudden cause. Due to sudden cause. Due to sudden cause. That means in natural rocks suddenly causes, it breaks, especially at the time of heavy rain. Water enters in these cracks, causes weathering of rocks. Weight increases and this rock slides on a slopey area and go toward the lower side. This we are calling as collapse of rift. Give the heading now second. Collapse of rift. Collapse of rift. Put dash and write. At the time of heavy rain, water enters in the cracks of rock. Water enters in cracks of rock, which cause weathering of rocks. Which cause weathering of rocks. and the weight of rocks increases. Weight of rocks increases and this rock slides on slopy region. And this rock slides on slopy region which settle at lower side. Which settle at lower side. This is called as collapse of rift. Collapse of rift. Boys, still here any problem? Boys? No, no.
No, sir.
Just read it. If you have any problem, you can ask to me. Okay?
No, sir.
Or see,
No, sir. No any problem.
you have to read it nicely because you are
Yes, sir.
you have to face your exam very shortly. Your study must be proper. Especially see, do your studies, find your difficulties, ask to me individual also at any time. Don't keep any doubts in your mind. कळलं?
Yes, sir.
पण अभ्यास केल्याशिवाय डाऊट कळणार नाही. बरोबर ना?
Yes, sir.
You have to do your study, find your doubts, ask to me. Okay? All of you. Just see, for your homework, note down some questions. Question first. Write precautions and safety measures for fire. Write precautions and safety measures of fire. Is already on page number 64. See, just you read and write properly. Okay? You have taken the question?
Yes, sir.
Question second. Write methods of fire extinction. Write methods of fire extinction. See that green color box on the same page, page number 64. There are three methods are given now. Cool out, suppress the fire, keep away the flammable substance. You write in short. Okay. The name must be there, explanation must be short. Name must be there, explanation must be short. Okay. Now read it. Rather than this, if you have any doubts, you can ask to me. Okay, today how many joined? तेव्हा व्हिडिओ लगेच बंद केले 0 मिनिटात. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 and 4 11. Remaining ran away. Yes, no? Nishad Pancha, your video is on. Greg Fernandez still not on your. You are not on your video. See, Greg Fernandez sleeping nicely. Yes, no? Greg, मोबाईल ठेवून कुठे पळाला? ग्रेग फर्नांडिस गायबच झाला तू. व्हेरी नाईस. व्हिडिओ ऑन केला म्हणजे गायब झाला. ग्रेग
सर आला.
आला काय? बघू
आला.
कुठं आहे? नो दिसतो तुम्हाला? निषाद पांचाळ व्हिडिओ ऑफ आर्यन सावंत, राज सावंत. हां ग्रेग ग्रेग ग्रेग. अरे तुझा व्हिडिओ कुठं आहे? हां व्हेरी नाईस. नाव इज लुकिंग सी. इतका सुंदर तू आणि व्हिडिओ ऑफ करून ठेवतोस. चेहरा दिसला पाहिजे ना सगळ्यांना. हां तिकडे कमांडंट सर बघायला लागलेत कोण कोण बसलं पिरियडला. तू आपल्या कानात अडकवलास, झोपलास निवांत. मम्मी तिकडे, तू इकडे. हां एन्जॉयिंग व्हेरी नाईसली. नो नो सी ऑल ऑफ यू रीड ऑल द पॉईंट्स व्हेरी केअरफुली. फाइंड युअर डाऊट. जोपर्यंत तुम्ही वाचणार नाही, अभ्यास करणार नाही, तुम्हाला डाऊट कळणार नाही. अँड यू हॅव टू आस्क युअर डाऊट्स टाईम टू टाईम. हां ग्रेने काय केलं म्हणतस? लगेच ऑफ केला आपण. ग्रेग ग्रेग यू मेन्शन युअर रोल नंबर देअर इन फ्रंट ऑफ युअर नेम. ग्रेग ऐकू येतं का? ग्रेग फर्नांडिस. यू आर रिटन ओनली ग्रेग. हु इज ग्रेग? ग्रेग पाटील, ग्रेग फर्नांडिस, ग्रेग कोण तो?
ग्रेग फर्नांडिस.
हां ते नाव लिही ना, काहीतरी लिही तिथे. ओके बॉयज, complete that 2 questions. If you have any doubt you can ask to me. Okay, and we will rejoin in next period. Can you stop? Yes boys. Okay.
सर
Okay.